you go. Quite the beautiful day in rural Lancaster County. Today's an exciting day because we were invited to the Eastwood studio to film with them and also get like a tour of the facility. I'm just waiting on Logan to show up. He'll be here any minute. Man, it is cold out today. Yeah, he just drove right past. I was on your left there.
Turn it right. All right, I'm gonna turn around.
All right. There's Logan. There he is. Dude, it is freezing out here. You ready to go on our little trip?
Yep, I'm ready.
All right, let's do it. Hey, we're out in the parking lot, I think. All right, we're at Eastwood. Got our sign there. We got the side entrance. I think it's where Joe's gonna come out. Out here in Pottstown, Pennsylvania. Land of the cold and bright sun. Wow, which way is he gonna come? That door or that door? I think it's that
I'm
door.
saying left, yeah, he's got a...
Oh! We were guessing when George come out. What's up, man?
Not much. What's going on? We'll go in here. Okay.
Excellent. Hey, look at all these things. Nice roll locks.
So yeah, basically the key points that we said for that were just when you like jump around. Logan, hey man, Joe Mounts from Eastwood. You're allowed to use my likeliness in this video, only this video.
Sick, man.
I
Not the
require 50% profits. No, Dave Hallgash, you're gonna use me in this video. Cut out a piece like you did in the video.
Yep.
Weld it in, do nothing to it, and kind of have two next to each other.
The first experience I ever had with that was doing bedsides on like I think it was like a 70s F-150. I don't know what year it was, but dude, I was like, I had waves that were like that deep in the panel. I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't even barely know how to weld at the time. I was like buzzing across the panel like this with a big welder.
Yeah.
If I had a handheld planching hammer, that would have made that job 10 million times faster, but I don't own one, so. What I'll probably do then is take both these, strip the galvanizing off them, because I don't really want to work with that.
Yep.
And then,
We do have.
Non-galvanized.
oh, you got the good stuff? Making extra work.
Galvanized too.
Get my story video now.
Yep.
No, you're good.
Sure, this is also galvanized. Yeah, this is
We're here in the Eastwood filming studio. That's perfect.
18
That's,
gauge.
yeah, that's pretty much what I work with all the time, so that's even easier. That's even better.
What do you want to cut this out? That's what I was gonna say.
You don't have a shear here, do you?
We do have a shear.
Do you have a shear?
hand
You
shear.
lied to me. Bring your own power.
BYOP. Yeah, this would be nice.
This is a nice
to
table.
have.
We got like all the jig holes.
Mm-hmm.
I want it. Oh no, our cable is broken. Yeah, I don't understand who decided that we should use fractions for measuring. Like, why would we do that?
So,
Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's just long enough.
I did that on purpose.
Nice.
You like that? Modern problems. clap.
Good for me. Action.
Have you ever welded sheet metal in a car and had an issue with warpage? I have, and I think everybody has, especially bodymen out there. But typically, the issue is when you weld a panel, it shrinks and it causes crazy distortion throughout the whole panel. I am also the guy who can't find stuff, so unless it's my own. So what I'm gonna do, I know I'm working on a fab table, but I'm not gonna use the fab table clamps because obviously you can't use those on the vehicle if you're welding on the vehicle. So instead I'm going to be using vice grips. Yeah, I tacked every little like half inch or whatever across the panel to lock in, keeping it all flat. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hammer and dolly all the tacks to stretch them back to make the panel lay flat again, roughly flat. And then I'll blast through them all.
All right. Here, can you do a favor?
So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna hammer and dolly these tacks because what happens is when I tack them, they're shrinking, so they're pulling the panel together and it's causing a warp already. Clap.
Okay, 1 second.
Gloves are dusty. So now that we're finished welding this panel, you can see what's known as the heat affected zone, which is like this bluish purple haze around the outside of the weld.
Oh, it's the worst noise in the world.
Big sheet metal doesn't want you to know this one trick. I'm gonna show you anyway. So Logan, did you have fun today?
A great time.
You had a great
Eastwood
time?
showed us a good time.
Yeah.
Great time.
Great time! Where do they have they do have 20 and a half. Oh, wait. Smooth shrinking disc. Do want to try one of these sometime. Hey, there's drums I think we need.
I don't know what we got.
This is the rack right here. It's like a grail of abrasives. Alright, so we just left Eastwood. We had a great time. We shot their studio. We shot a how-to on removing a weld warp from a panel, in case you didn't catch that already. You can keep an eye out for that dropping in like 2 weeks on the Eastwood channel. Maybe sooner, maybe later, I don't know. But if you go ahead and subscribe to their channel, I'll put it down in the description. You'll be able to be notified when that happens. But yeah, we had a good time. Hope you guys enjoyed the behind-the-scenes look in advance. So, later guys.